Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Nay, and Nay, this is post-op day number 1, and a lot of times people don't see a post-op day number 1 video, so how was last night?
It was actually really good. I didn't feel like any pain at all. There was just like really dull ache at the back, but it wasn't like really bad or anything like that. The ibuprofen was enough to keep it at bay. I was able to get some sleep and eat and stuff, and I feel absolutely fine this morning. So yeah.
And you've had about 20 hours to now think about what transpired yesterday. And how was yesterday overall?
It was really good, and I'm just so happy. I actually feel quite emotional at the fact that it's all done, and you know, it was just a lot smoother than I thought it was going to be. And I would encourage anyone who's like thinking about it and not sure to just go ahead and do it, because I honestly feel like this is going to change my life, and I'm just really thankful to everybody in the team. They're amazing as well. So.
Well, again, thank you for everything. Thank you for trusting within us, and we look forward to seeing your progress. We'll continue to keep in touch with you. I know that you're going to be flying back tomorrow, back home, and we'll definitely have many of FaceTimes during this next year.
Thanks.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.